The Pixel 10 Pro isn't just leaked, it's been caught on camera, and Google might be hiding the best color behind a massive paywall. Yeah, this changes everything. Welcome back. Viewers, James here. If you love tech that leaks before it launches, tap like, share this video with your nerdy group chat, and subscribe for more ahead of the Curve updates. All right, so Google isn't just prepping for a launch, it's practically already here. The Pixel 10 Pro has shown up in the wild, prototype in hand, full spec sheet leaked, and pricing already hitting European storefronts. We're not just talking rumors anymore. The phone is real. It's powered by the brand new Thurnham Tensor G5 chip. And get this, it has satellite communication support baked in. That's right, Google's finally going off grid literally. But let's rewind for a second. Before this physical prototype even popped up, the Pixel 10 series quietly showed up in the FCC database. Now, usually that's boring compliance stuff, but not this time. It confirms ultra-wideband support for the Pro models and also exposes something kind of wild inside the Pixel, a Samsung modem. So yes, Google and Samsung are teaming up again under the hood, even while competing at the flagship level. That's a twist. Now, about that prototype, it's sleek. It looks just like the Pixel 9 at first glance, but it's what's inside that gets spicy. We're talking a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED display with thinner bezels, 120Hz refresh, boosted peak brightness, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on top. Oh, and the selfie cam, it's not just upgraded, it's leveled up to a 42MP sensor. A serious jump for creators and video calls. And then there's the rear camera, still a triple setup, but with major refinements: 50MP main, 40MP ultra-wide, and a 4D telephoto with FX optical zoom and macro mode. Basically, this camera doesn't care how close or far your subject is, it's ready. And all that is backed by up to 16GB RAM, up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage, and a battery that hits 5200 mAh in the Pro XL version, plus faster 39W charging. Finally, right? Now let's talk pricing, and this is where things get a little unpredictable. The Pixel starts at $899 and $199, and the Pro XL at $1,299 in Europe. But here's the catch, the XL starts with 256GB by default. So globally, we're expecting prices to stay just about where they were last year. No jump, no drop. Just refined hardware for the same price tag. Smart move or missed opportunity? Let me know in the comments. Now for the colors, and this is where it gets dramatic. The base Pixel 10 is expected in frost, indigo, lemongrass, and obsidian. So yeah, vibrant, bold, a bit playful. But the Pro, it's going full James Bond mode: obsidian, porcelain, moonstone, and jade. Moonstone is that stealthy bluish gray, clean, sharp, understated. But jade, that's the eye catcher. It's a light green with gold accents, subtle but confident. The kind of phone that says, I'm different, without screaming it. But here's the kicker. Jade might be exclusive to just the 256GB storage model. Yep. Google could be locking their best color behind a storage wall. So if you're going big with 512GB or 1TB, you might be stuck with obsidian. Imagine paying top dollar and still not getting your favorite color. Oh. And while benchmark scores for the Pixel Fold 10 just leaked too. Same Tensor G5 chip, scoring to 276 in single, Core and 6,773 in multi-core on Geekbench 6. That's better than before, but still trailing Snapdragon's latest. Then again, Tensor's never been about brute force. It's playing the long game with AI and efficiency. But the biggest leak, Google's August 20th event, that's when all goes down. Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pro XL, Pixel Watch 4, and the Fold 10 of all launching in one massive showcase. Google's throwing everything at the wall to take on the Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 17 lineup, and from what we've seen, they might just pull it off. So the real question is, are these upgrades enough to pull you in? Or is the Pixel 10 lineup just Google playing it safe with new tricks hidden behind the same old shell? We'll find out soon. Until then, tell me in the comments, would you buy a phone just for the color? And if Jade's locked to 256GB, would that stop you? Stick around, there's way more Pixel news coming before launch. And trust me, some of it's wild.